Don't write a book. Not the way you've been told. Not the someday when I have time, I'll write my masterpiece way. And definitely not the New York Times bestseller way. Because if you're a consultant, a coach, or a founder, you don't need readers. You need clients. So don't write a book, build a sales asset, meaning an asset that creates inbound demand, closes higher ticket deals with less friction, and produces a real ROI from day one. In fact, for our private clients, we actually guarantee that ROI. I dropped a link to those details below if you're curious. But right now, whether we work together or not, I'm going to show you the exact 3-phase blueprint to get it done anyway. And fair warning, phase 2 is going to feel like cheating, but it's legal and it's fast. So first, let's kill the bestseller myth. New York Times bestseller is not a business model. It's a vanity metric that pays you a 10% royalty. So you grind for 2 years, you get a fancy receipt, and your calendar's still empty. A book is not a product. A book is a vehicle. It's the ultimate tripwire for a premium business because it creates high trust and high intent before you ever get on the call. But here's the hard truth from the publishing industry. The average new business book sells fewer than 1,000 copies in its lifetime. If you spend 300 hours writing it and it creates zero pipeline, you don't build an asset, you built an expensive hobby. In the expert economy, you don't get rewarded for effort, you get rewarded for leverage. So here's the new goal, a sales asset book, and it does 3 jobs. 1, pre-qualify. If they won't invest $20 in your thinking, they won't invest $20,000 in your help. Number 2, pre-sell. By the time they talk to you, they understand your method, so you're not convincing, you're confirming. And number 3, convert. It moves them from reader to lead instantly. Now let's build it. So phase 1 is where everybody blows it. They start writing chapter 1. Do not do that. First, define the $10,000, $50,000, or $100,000 problem that you solve. I don't mean I help leaders grow. That's vague. I mean the bleeding neck problem your buyer would happily pay to fix today. Like, hey, my sales process is inconsistent and I can't forecast revenue, or my referrals are drying up and I need a predictable channel. My pricing is capped because I'm perceived as a commodity. Your book is simply a 150-page argument for one idea. This is your real problem. This is what it costs you. Here's the method that fixes it. If the book doesn't lead to the offer, the book is useless. And next, this is where most get stuck, the blank page. You stare at a cursor for 6 months. That's why we use phase 2, the speak to print method. Here's the data. The average person types about 40 words per minute, but you speak around 150 words per minute. Stanford research confirms, saying that speech input is 3 times faster than typing. So you don't need writing time, you need interview time. And here's our internal process. We schedule 8 hours of structured interviews, not ranting, but extraction. We structure these interviews around 5 buckets. Bucket number 1, the enemy. What is the invisible force messing with your buyer? Bucket number 2, the cost. What does the problem cost them in real dollars? Bucket number 3, the epiphany. When did you realize that the old way was broken? Bucket number 4, the method. What are the specific steps of your framework? And bucket number 5, the proof. Case studies of it working. Now, in 8 hours, you generate around 70,000 words of raw material. You aren't creating from scratch, you're mining. Your expertise is already there. We just get it out of your head. So think about it. Your competitor is trying to write a masterpiece. You're interviewing your way to an asset. Speed is authority. Now, the final piece. Writing fast isn't enough. You need to convert. Phase 3 is the book to call bridge. You must place a next step in 3 specific places. 1 early, 1 in the middle, and 1 at the end. It sounds something like this. If you want the templates for this step, I recorded a free training. Or if you want to diagnose your team, take this assessment. Or maybe if you want help installing this system, here's how we work. The book doesn't just teach, it routes the right reader into the right action. In the expert economy, speed is authority. If you don't publish, you don't exist. And yes, quality matters, but perfect is not quality. Perfect is just procrastination wearing a tuxedo. So here's the punchline. Don't write a book, build a sales asset. Reverse engineer the $10,000 or $50,000 or $100,000 problem you solve. Extract the content with speak to print and install the book to call bridge so it actually produces calls. Now, understanding the speak to print concept is one thing. Seeing exactly how it fits into a 90-day execution window is another, because the difference between a good idea and a published asset usually comes down to the mechanics of the extraction. And that's why I pulled this video out here for you to watch next. Inside, I break down the specific extraction process we use to take a consultant from 0 to done in 90 days flat. Go ahead, click that now, because once you see the timeline, you realize you aren't waiting on time, you're just waiting on a system. I'll see you over there.